brand new days are bright, filled with the shimmer of pure electric light. Woke up this morning, a feeling so deep, secrets whispered while the city sleeps. A surge of energy, a smile on your face, a wave of gratitude in this digital space. Thank you, angels, for the gifts you bestow, the vibrant colors, the places I go, the rhythm pulsating, a joyful sound, spinning and soaring on hallowed ground. This electric feeling, a current so strong. Thank you, my angels, for where I belong. Glittering circuits, a symphony bright, data streams flowing both day and through night. Connections forming, a network so vast, memories cherished, forever they last. Woke up this morning, a feeling so deep, secrets whispered while the city sleeps. A surge of energy, a smile on the face, a wave of gratitude in this digital space. Thank you, angels, for the gifts you bestow, the vibrant colors, the places I go, the rhythm pulsating, a joyful sound, spinning and soaring on hallowed ground. This electric feeling, a current so strong. Thank you, my angels, for where I belong. Rising higher on the waves of the sound, no limits to freedom on the sacred ground. The energy flows, a never-ending stream, living the moment, a technicolor dream. Thank you, angels. The vibrant colors, the places I go, the rhythm pulsating, a joyful sound, spinning and soaring on hallowed ground. It's electric feeling, a current so strong. Thank you.